In this video, let's talk about how to move your domain's name servers to Cloudflare. Adding a new domain to Cloudflare is relatively simple. You can watch our tutorial on how to add a domain name to Cloudflare for the full walkthrough of this process. However, if the name servers of your domain name have already been set up, you might see one extra step during this process. After scrolling through the page to review your DNS records, you would then click on Continue. If your name servers have already been set up on your domain registrar, for example, you would then see this page where it asks you to select a method for moving your domain name to Cloudflare. The default method means that you would simply change your name servers the regular way, so there's nothing really different, which means that this may be the easier and faster way. For your consideration, there is a second option that allows you to use Cloudflare as your new domain name registration company, which is going to require you to transfer your domain name from your existing registration over to Cloudflare. To simplify and expedite this process for us, we are simply going to select the default method for now. Once you have done so, you will be redirected to the page with the instructions to change your name servers.